Hello everyone. Welcome to Programming in C for Beginners. I'm Amit Kumar and this is the 7th section of our course titled Operators in C. In this section, we are going to deal with following tutorials: operators and operands, arithmetic operators, pre-post increment-decrement, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, precedence and associativity. This is our 34th tutorial, operators and operands. So let's begin. An operator is a symbol which performs some operation, and operands are constants or variables on which operation is performed. So they both can be represented in form of symbols, but operators are basically those symbols which actually tells our compiler what is the task to be done, what is the operation to be performed. And operands are those constants and variables. Now they can be constants, they can be variables, but they are the entities on which these operators perform their operations. Now for example, in the below code, A, B and C are operands, whereas plus and equal to are operators. Now clearly you can see here plus is the operation which is being performed on A and B, and the result of A and B is again performed to be assigned in C variable. So there are basically two operators, plus and equal to, and three operands A, B and C. Depending upon the number of operands, operators are categorized as unary operator, binary operator or ternary operator. Now if an operator performs operation on one operand, definitely it's a unary operator. If an operator is performing operation on two operands, definitely it's a binary operator. And when an operation is performed on three operands, definitely it's a ternary operator. Now most of the operators are among the first two, whereas there is only one operator which belongs to the third category. Now we will discuss about these operators individually in our upcoming videos. So definitely there is something very interesting going to come. So that marks the end of this tutorial. Hope to meet you in the next video tutorial. Till then, thank you and happy programming.